If equipped, the front and rear axle lock system, or Tru-Lok, allows for both wheels on the rear axle to be locked together, or all four wheels on the front and rear axles to be locked together. This improves handling in slippery driving conditions or off-road situations. Front and rear axle lock will only activate when the following conditions are met. The ignition is in the on-run position, the vehicle is in four-wheel drive low range, and vehicle speed is at or less than 10 miles per hour or 16 kilometers per hour. Also, left and right wheel speed should be the same for a given axle. You'll find the axle lock rocker switch on the instrument panel to the right of the steering column. To activate the system, push the switch up to lock the front and rear axles, or down to lock only the rear axle. When the rear axle is locked, pushing the bottom of the switch again will lock or unlock the front axle. To unlock the axles, push the axle lock off button to the left of the switch. The corresponding indicator light will flash and then stay lit when the axles are fully locked or unlocked. You can also view axle locker status on the off-road pages of your Uconnect display. If equipped with the rear-only axle lock system, you can activate it by pressing the rocker switch down and deactivate it by pressing the axle lock off button. This feature will only activate when the following conditions are met. The ignition is in the on-run position, the vehicle is in four-wheel drive high range with Off-Road Plus active, electronic stability control is in full off mode, and vehicle speed is less than 20 miles per hour or 32 kilometers per hour. Keep in mind that axle lock is not intended for use on dry pavement and will disengage in certain situations. The system will automatically re-engage when all the necessary conditions are met. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.